Bundé e benvenus de Mareo, dal comune de Mareo, dal Parc Natural Fanes-Sennes-Prags. Early in the morning today we have met in our small group to organize this snowshoe trip in our natural park Fanes-Sennes-Prags. This is a very special natural park. It's recognized by the UNESCO in 2009 as one of the wonders, especially for its geology of the Triassic. We have organized this trip also to look at the botanical and the zoological part and essential part of this park and the ecology of the high alpine systems. We have taken our snowshoes to get into these valleys, especially to propose it in the winter as we do it in the summers, 5 days a week. And today it's a light snowy day where we can have an easily piece of beauty of this park. We have seen many tracks of snowshoe hares, but also of Tetraonidae as capercaillie we met on the way. This is for us quite special. Even if you don't see the animals, if you cannot spot them in the winter, you can spot the tracks. We can see how the snowshoe hare Lepus timidus is passing from a tree to tree, and also building a type of longer track. The tracks of our snowshoe hare today was confusing the fox and other big predators, because he's not walking in a straight line, but he was building a longer road to follow. Also important for us, for the people that we have brought to this park today, is to explain how some of the animals are losing their ecosystem because of global heating, global warming. Especially the Tetraonidae. These are the capercaillie, the grouse, and these two animals can live pretty good here in the Dolomites because they have erratic stones where they can hide, and many spots where they can eat botanical plants that are still growing here and in good quantity.